Hey, how's everyone doing, Suitcase Junkies? I'm out visiting my aunt, and she lives about an hour from Vegas. So I went to visit a friend that lives in Vegas, and we served in the Navy together. And on my way back to my aunt's house, I decided to take a quick detour towards Hoover Dam. And right now I'm at a stop. This is the scene, and when I get to Hoover Dam, I'll give you some more pictures. But right now, this is the scene overlooking the lake. Hey, Suitcase Junkies, I'm on top of the bridge, which is overlooking Hoover Dam. Pretty cool, I must say. I'm gonna give y'all a video here in just a minute. Hope everyone's having a great day. And here you go, we're gonna give you Hoover Dam. My first time here to Hoover Dam. This is where we are right now, which you can see right there. Hey everyone, Suitcase Junkies. Right now I'm making the drive over the Hoover Dam. This should be interesting. Pretty cool. There's not really much to see going across, but I'm doing it. I'll probably park on the other side and try to walk over to the middle of the dam and take another picture. Alrighty, everyone.